A tiny water stain on my ceiling almost drained my savings. When my roof started leaking, I figured homeowners insurance would cover the massive repair bill. I was completely wrong. Standard policies secretly exclude wear and tear, cosmetic hail marks, and even squirrel damage. But that disaster taught me a brilliant workaround. Stop paying for expensive manual roof inspections. For nearly half the price, you can hire an AI-equipped drone. They spot microfractures and flashing failures humans easily miss, saving you from catastrophic damage later. And if you do need a replacement, skip standard asphalt. Upgrading to a metal or cool roof reflects solar heat and slashes cooling bills. Federal tax credits for these might be gone, but state-level rebates and local utility incentives are hiding in plain sight to help cover the cost. You just have to ask your local provider. Don't wait for a storm to bankrupt you. Fix it before it falls apart.